MPLS, or multi-protocol label switching, is a protocol used for speeding up and shaping network traffic flows. It's like the GPS of your data, directing it on the most efficient path through the network. In a traditional IP network, each router makes an independent forwarding decision for each packet based solely on the packet's network layer header. But with MPLS, the first router makes the decision, labels the packet, and then each subsequent router forwards the packet along the predetermined path based on its label. Think of it like a subway system. Instead of each train deciding its route, the route is predetermined, and each station knows exactly where to send the train next. MPLS is crucial in managing different types of service for network traffic. Whether it's for voice, video, or data packets, MPLS ensures your data gets where it needs to go quickly and efficiently. For more information, head to www.batternetworks.com. Dive deeper into the world of IT and master the art of network management. See you there.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.